appointment is today. I'm trying to be quiet because I know you're tired, but I'm so excited. We have to go now. Okay. We have like 30 minutes. We're gonna be late, essentially, so I need you to move. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay. Well, kid, today's the day. Hope you're ready. You better be good. There's gonna be some issues if you're not. You better act right, okay? No embarrassing your parents. This is so cool. I can't wait to see. It's been too long. Your mom looks crazy today. You've kept her up for a very long time. But she's so grateful for you. Alright, so basically, this is how this is gonna go. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna be on time, and everything is gonna go great. And your job in this whole thing is to make sure that happens. That sounds like a lot of pressure, but you can do it. Alright. Okay, baby. You ready? Do you have the keys? You seem a little bit nervous. Are you okay? Yeah, we've had, some rough patches, sure. Things have been a little wild. We had our ups and downs with this whole pregnancy thing. But, we're okay. Fine, okay. And today we get to find out what we're having, so pep up a little. You look, on edge. I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, honey. I guess ever since I was on bed rest and everything, I kind of have learned to just relax and to accept things as they come and to deal with what comes day by day, That's all we can do, right? So don't get ahead of yourself. Everything's gonna be fine. We're gonna have an awesome day after we go find out a baby. And what we're having, we're going to go get ice cream, right? I thought so. So get your shoes on. It's gonna be fine. I promise. My sweet, sweet baby. Always worried. Always wanting the best. That's why I love you. Okay, so I have my bag. I'm bringing my bag. The bag that we're gonna bring to the hospital, and I'm just gonna have her look at it. Yes. I'm gonna have the doctor look at my hospital bag. I want to make sure that I'm not missing anything. Plus, this is the day we meet with everyone anyway, so might as well. Don't judge me right now. I don't need that, okay? I'm carrying your child. Be nice to me. Okay. Come on, no more kisses. We have to go. No, fine. It was just a tickle. My throat is fine. I am not feeling sick. I really need you to relax right now. Because you're starting to freak me out. Okay, calm down. Thank you. Babe. Are you okay? No, I mean, you're just kind of gripping a steering wheel like it's gonna fall off. I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere. I know you're nervous. I know. I understand. I just think you should relax. You know? Take some time to just do some deep breathing. We can do the one you taught me. Okay, so just take a deep breath in and out. Okay? Okay. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Better. It's gonna be over with soon. Okay, just, oh my gosh. Do you want some music or something? Let me find something. Wow, babe. We really need to invest in a new car. We don't have Bluetooth. Alright, oh, I don't feel like it. You want to talk about something else? Okay, we'll just... I mean, we're turning in now, so whatever, I suppose. Guess it wasn't that necessary after all. Are you gonna be like this the whole time? Because I really just want some support and a smile and that I'm so excited. A hand squeeze of encouragement, something. Yes, ice cream, I guess, is enough. Okay, fair enough. I won't push it. Okay, babe. Here we go. Jeez, there's nobody in here. Is what I'm saying. Oh, yes, that is us. Oh, that was fast. Okay, well, I'll fill this out and just wait here, or should I go back with you guys now? Okay, we'll just fill this out and we're ready. Okay. Okay. Maybe what's the name? Oh, don't give me lip right now, just tell me the date. Okay. This is a good one. It's like pre-filled. You okay, babe? You ready? Okay, I'm excited. He's like gonna throw up, but I'm fine. Yes, it's been crazy. It's been wild. It's been a long ride, but I'm just so grateful that everything's been going so well. At least to me, it has been. I feel good, and I'm just ready to find out what we're having. Okay. Yeah, I'm so excited. I actually just wore this robe so I could just be ready to go. Yeah, I'm very ready. No pain, really no nauseousness anymore. I've been sleeping good, eating very well. um, no stress. I haven't really been stressing anymore. I've been using the those techniques that you gave me last time, and he's been taking really good care of me. So yeah. Nope, no medications, no doctor's appointments, no illness, no nothing. So I've been doing my best to stay real healthy. Sure, I'll just I'll step on here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, put on some weight. Yeah, I know it's normal. Not that much, I don't think. I haven't grown any taller though, sadly. Sure, I'd love to get my big belly self up here. Oh, I'm so nervous. Now I'm nervous. Now I feel like you, babe, because last time we did this, it didn't go so well. Yeah, but I'm ready this time. Okay. Does it usually take this long to find? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot. Wow. It's our baby. So, the last time you said that we would be able to find out, the gender today. Yeah, we're ready. It's been too wild of a ride. We want to know now. I can see. Oh, wait. Where again? I'm sorry, point again. Oh my god. We're having a little boy. Wow. Yes, more than happy. So that's why I was having all this trouble. Does he look good? Good. Oh my gosh. Thank you. He's getting so big. This is wild. Look at him all day. We can finally buy clothes now, babe. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Um, okay, two questions. Um, First one, when do I get to do this again? And number two, what do you think I'm looking at delivery wise? Like, do you feel I'm gonna be able to do this naturally or okay. Okay. Yeah, that sounds gonna just play it by ear. Yeah. No, it's fine. Thank you so much for your time and for sticking with us. And see you soon. Babe, we're having a boy. Okay, wait. I was not prepared. Were you prepared? Okay, I had a feeling. No. I'm not bull. I'm not BSing you here. I had a feeling. I just mother's intuition. I know. I'm so excited. Now I want the blue ice cream. The blue one. Because I'm having a boy. Are you I know you're excited. Oh man, you know, let me put my shoes on. Please. Did you saw me struggling to get on this table? Please help me out. Thank you. Jeez, oh Pete's. Okay, let me get down off of this table. Oh boy. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get some ice cream. And I also kind of want some spaghetti. Don't talk about me like that. Hey, I've been through a lot, okay? I can have spaghetti and ice cream. Thank you. Oh, we did it, babe. We freaking did it. Alright, come on now. You're lagging. I'm gonna beat you to the ice cream shop myself. I'm gonna walk.